The Congress leaders are all set for the party's Grand Chintan Shivir, the biggest congregation of party leaders from across the country to brainstorm ahead of the 2014 battle. Now, one of the 5 issues is women empowerment, but is Congress actually serious about it, or is it only putting up a show? Well, we are forced to ask that question on behalf of Bharatpur's Braveheart, a young Dalit teenager who was repeatedly gang raped. Among the culprits was a Congress MLA's husband. Is that why justice eludes her for over 2 years now?
One of the 5 key issues on agenda during the Congress Chintan Shivir would be women's empowerment. But the party has forgotten a Braveheart from Rajasthan's Bharatpur, a young Dalit girl who was gang raped. Among her rapists was a powerful man, the husband of a Congress MLA, deftly evading the law for 2 years. But no action has been taken against him. Ashok Gehlot is maintaining a studied silence. Is Sonia Gandhi watching? Jalish Khan is wanted in the 2010 case of a teenager's gang rape. After eluding the law for more than 2 years, the husband of MLA Zahida Begum has been declared an absconder by the Bharatpur District Court. What is surprising, the Congress MLA, a woman herself, is backing her husband despite the serious charges against him of raping and intimidating another woman. In fact, Zahida Begum even shot off a letter to Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot denying that the rape had happened. The case was never in the victim's favor, with the cops initially refusing to register a complaint. The FIR was lodged only after the court's intervention. The victim claims she was threatened to withdraw Jalish's name from the case, even as he evaded court summons for months.
सब गुंडों का नेता तो वही है। हाँ, ये हम धमकी देते हैं कि क्या तो पैसा लो या फिर केस वापस लो और बस जलीस का नाम निकाल दो, लेकिन हम ऐसा नहीं चाहते। मेरी नानी के पास भी गए थे।
भाई उसमें नाजायज लोगों को पकड़ा है, तो असली अवैध करने वाले लोग हैं उनको नहीं पकड़ा है। तो ऐसी खानापूर्ति के खिलाफ हमने बात की थी या दोषियों को पकड़ा।
ये सब बात करेंगे, ये सरकार की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है ना? ये तो 2 मिनट के लिए इसको नहीं, कोई कमेंट नहीं दिया था। सब चीजें लेवल में होती हुई सब चीज आज भी नहीं।
The young girl was kidnapped from Bharatpur's Kama area by 4 men. 6 more men and Congress MLA's husband Jalish Khan allegedly joined the gang to repeatedly rape the victim. For the next 6 months, she was taken to Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi and gang raped. 11 men were charged, but only 1 was arrested. The main accused, Jalish Khan, roamed free and without fear. He was allowed to evade court summons and was never arrested. And it is not surprising, as Jalish Khan's wife, Begum Zahida Khan, is an MLA from Bharatpur's Kama area. She is also the state parliamentary secretary.
पुलिस इनको संरक्षण दे रही है। पिछली बार भी अगर सीबीआई से जांच नहीं होती तो 2 मंत्री और विधायक भी बच जाते, और इस सारे प्रकरण के अंदर केवल 1 व्यक्ति को गिरफ्तार किया है, 6 व्यक्तियों को अदालत ने भगोड़ा घोषित किया है। लेकिन वो पुलिस की मौजूदगी में पुलिस के साथ रहते हैं, पुलिस को पता है, लेकिन अदालत के आदेश की सरकार पालना नहीं कर रही। और जिस तरीके से रेप और व्यभिचारी मामले के अंदर कांग्रेस के नेता घूम रहे हैं, इससे लिए चिंता का विषय राज्य।
BJP is insisting that we are giving protection to him. I don't think they are true in this sense, because they always create issues about such matters. And I would like to assure you that the Congress government never safeguards anybody who is involved in such cases.
Political patronage and police inaction have emboldened the accused in the case, who have been roaming around freely, even as the victim lives a scared and a scarred life. After the court declared the MLA's husband as an absconder, the system may finally be forced to act. With Nikhil Sharma and Suresh Poshdar in Bharatpur, Devankur Vadhavan in Jaipur for Headlines Today.